What if luxury wasn't about excess, but about precision, harmony, and timeless sophistication? Welcome to the world of modern minimalist luxury, where simplicity meets high-end refinement. Minimalist luxury is all about elevating simplicity. Every element, from natural light to carefully selected furniture, is designed to bring balance and elegance. A modern minimalist home office is more than just a workspace. It's a sanctuary for creativity and productivity. With custom-designed desks, integrated smart lighting, and panoramic views, this space is crafted to enhance focus while maintaining a luxurious aesthetic. The Master Suite is the ultimate retreat. A spacious design with floor-to-ceiling windows, a plush neutral-tone bed, and a walk-in wardrobe creates a sense of calm and sophistication. The ensuite bathroom features a freestanding stone bathtub, rainfall shower, and premium fixtures, turning everyday moments into a spa-like experience. Minimalist luxury is all about elevating simplicity. Every element, from natural light to carefully selected furniture, is designed to bring balance and elegance. Luxury is not just about appearance. It's about materials that last. Fine marble, Rich walnut wood and seamless glass walls create a space that is both sophisticated and durable.